So this is Home Inspector Dan. I'm the sewer camera inspector today. 1505. I'm actually looking for plumbing cleanouts back in that direction. Typically a house like this is going to have plumbing cleanouts located in the front here. It's very likely that they're underneath those bushes, and it's not going to be easy to get in there. If I'm going to be able to get in there at all, it's just completely full of crap. These bushes are way overgrown in this area. There's a small possibility that the cleanouts are under here as well, or the cleanouts are underneath this bush. But without being able to access them, I'm going to have to use an alternative source of entry. Sewer camera inspection at 1505 South Sunnyvale. Couldn't find any plumbing cleanouts in the front of the house, so we're going to try and go down the laundry drain in the laundry room. I've got the bathtub running in the primary just to get some extra flow. Ugh. A bunch of paper in the laundry drain. There's actually some stuff stuck in there. I can't actually get past it. That pipe has got tons of stuff caked on the side walls of it. That should definitely be cleaned out by a plumber. And I'm afraid a lot of that has gotten down into the drain, and I can't push past that right now. We're now on the roof at 1505 South Sunnyvale Circle, going through a plumbing cleanout. The laundry drain was not accessible. The main plumbing cleanouts in the front of the house are not accessible. So we're going to try and go down through the main plumbing stack up out here on the roof. See if we can get out to the street. I do have the water running in the primary bathroom still. A little bit of water in the bottom of the pipe there. There's where the primary bathroom enters into the main plumbing system, or the drain system. A little bit of settlement built up on the wall, not much, or sediment, not settlement. So we are going with the flow of water heading out towards the street right now, going through ABS plumbing. Unremarkable at this point. Just a little bit dirty. It's pretty common for these types of drain pipes. What's going on here? Looks kind of weird. think. It's about 105 degrees out right now. I'm up on the roof. Highly recommend you find those plumbing cleanouts in the front of the house for easier access to this plumbing system in case you have any clogs or backups in the future. That's where another drain empties into the main line. Kind of clogged up. We're making a lot of corners, and this video camera cable gets hung up on all these corners. Every corner we go around, it gets tougher to push. So the farther out we get, the harder it gets to push the camera out. ABS pipes look good up to about 85, 87 feet. I can't push any farther. This has got to be in the front yard. Heading out towards the street. I don't have much more to go. I just can't get the camera to go that far down the line because of all the bends and twists in the drain. If those main plumbing cleanouts were open, this would be way easier to access all of this. So I recommend that getting done. This is the best or the farthest I'm going to be able to get on this line out of this clean out. But everything looks good to this point. There's probably only a few more feet out to that main connection where the city and the residents' plumbing meets up. So we're just going to pull this back and kind of keep an eye on that pipe on the way back and see if there's anything that sticks out.
If you look at the top of the pipe right there, that is one of the main plumbing cleanouts that enters into the sewer line.
hydrojetting these pipes would definitely clean some of this gunk off the walls. It's not bad yet though. Now we're just coming up the vent pipe. If you have any questions about this, please contact Brian Lang or me, Dan Pierce, at bpginspections.com.